How to use your own cryptocurrency. On the Decimalchain constructor, you can create your own cryptocurrency in a couple of minutes without technical skills. Just specify the name and number of your coins, reserve your 1000 Dell coin, and release it to the network. At the time of recording this video, 1000 coins of Dell can be bought on the market for about $208. You will get absolutely the same cryptocurrency as the well-known Bitcoin or Ethereum. It can be mined, sold and bought and displayed on exchanges. And you can feel like Satoshi Nakamoto, the creator of liquid decentralized money. Many tokens have already been created on the Decimal blockchain. For example, one of the companies uses its token to award diplomas to graduates of its school, sending the token to the address of the graduate and attaching all the necessary information to the transaction. The transaction is public and remains forever in the history of the blockchain. Such diplomas cannot be forged or lost. Many tokens created on the Decimal blockchain are used as a loyalty program instead of discounts and cashback. Companies send their customers tokens that can be exchanged for dollars or other cryptocurrencies. Such bonuses will not burn or will not be lost and can also increase in price. Companies with tokenized loyalty programs attract new customers faster and retain old ones, gaining a competitive advantage in their niche. If you are an artist, musician or writer, you can create your NFT token on the Decimalchain blockchain. Imagine that all your paintings or tracks are stored as tokens on your mobile wallet and in a few clicks can be sent by transaction to the marketplace and sold for good money. Paintings by young artists are already sold for tens of thousands of dollars, only thanks to the interests in NFT technology, and for someone this method can be a great career start. In the NFT token, you can program a share in your cooperative. It will also be notarized and entered in the register, but your right will be protected by cryptography. Imagine that you are encouraging a child for good learning with your tokens created in 3 clicks on the Decimal blockchain. The game develops the necessary skill of working with the crypto world and finance. Let the child decide for himself whether to immediately exchange them for dollars or wait for the price to rise. You can create a cryptocurrency and give it a thank you function. Now your thank you will have a real weight of monetary terms. Encourage your employees, friends, make a family crypto value. Stand out, experiment and fantasize. It costs you almost nothing with the Decimalchain constructor.